In the industry, we talk a lot about inventory control. Among various methodologies of inventory control, one important one is ABC analysis. But what is ABC analysis? You ask a normal person, what is ABC analysis? This is so simple. Expensive items, A class. Medium items, B class. And least expensive items, C class. Example? Sir, in my company, what we do? Items from 70 rupees and above are all A class, okay? From 70 to 25, they are B class. I said, okay. And remaining below 25, they are all C class. So, what do you do? Sir, individual item value. Many of you may be doing like this only. And let me tell you, this is not correct. Yeah, I reject this methodology. Okay, then what is the right method? Let me explain you. See, every item we purchase, any item we purchase, it has got purchase impact, financial impact on the company. Yeah, कितना हमारा पैसा लगा? How much money has been invested? How much money has been spent in a financial year? Okay, deciding on the proportion based on annual purchase impact in rupees. Yeah? Okay, how do we do that? And then we point out certain high value parts. Also, we point out certain high value parts, although annual purchase impact may not be that high. Okay, now look at this table. Yeah? Look at this. We take Excel file. In Excel file, we create certain columns. Column A, serial number. Column B, part number. Column C, part name. Then, column D, per piece cost. Column E, annual purchase volume, annual consumption in numbers. Yeah? Here, then, column F, multiply the two. D multiplied by E. That will be annual financial impact, annual purchase impact. Yeah. How much money you have spent. Fine. Once you have done that, then you sort the data in descending order. Normally, top 10% items are called A. Next 20 are B. Remaining 70 are C. Okay. Like that. But an item per piece cost is 300 rupees. But annual purchase impact, because we use only, it's used in special variant. It's used in special variant. We buy only 1000 numbers. So 500 multiplied by 1000, that means 500,000. 5 lakh rupees. Yeah, 5 lakh rupees. So, maybe it will become C class item. But should we call it C class? No. Since per piece value is high, so what do? We flag it. We flag it. There is one more column, special treatment. We flag it Y. And then we put up a filter. All Y items we separate. We separate out, and even those items are A class. Why? Because per piece cost is very high. So, two ways. One is purchase volume, yeah, and also by control is by importance as well as by exceptions. Importance, financial importance, exception, per piece cost is high, right? Okay. What are A class? Significant few. Items few in number contributing to high percentage of value of inventory. B, they are not very high, not very low. C, okay, their cost impact is low. Okay, fine. Now look at this. Look at this example. This is 8, 25, 67. But just now I told you 10, 20, 70. Yes. this practice will vary from company to company. There is no international standardization on this. There is no national standardization on this. You have to fix your own standards. What is good for my company? Let the management decide. Yeah? Individual plant level we have to do it. Fair. This example is 8, 25, 67. So, for example, 2000 total item. 8%, that means 160 item. Yeah? 25%, 500 numbers. 67%, 1340 numbers. Put together gross 2000 numbers. 8% are contributing to 75%. Right? Next 25% are contributing to 20% of the cost impact. Remaining 67% are contributing to just 5% of the cost impact. Okay, look, one more example in the shape of bar graph. 15%, 30% next, remaining 55% are C class. It will vary from company to company. Decide your own percentages. Now look, this example is 10, 25, 65. Yeah? So look, cost impact 70 to 80% in A class, B 15 to 20, C 5 to 10. Inventory control rigorous, for B it's normal, for C it's simple. Purchase process is precise with constant revisions because items are expensive. We monitor. Yeah? We don't allow the stock to go up. For B, it's normal. For C, it's fully dedicated to the juniors. Yeah? Periodical. We don't do constant review. And safety stock for A class is low. For B class, yeah, it's slightly higher. For C, it's high. Follow for A class is maximum. For B class, periodic. For C class, we expedite exceptionally because we have the stocks. Value analysis for A class is rigorous. For B class is moderate. For C, it's minimum. Review for A class is by the higher officials. For B, middle level managers. And for C, it's fully delegated to the juniors. Yeah? So, please follow this ABC analysis in a correct manner. Yeah? Thank you very much.